This is just a short talk on how I'm going to generate PowerPoint slides from chatgpt. Now, you can't do this in one step in the current version of PowerPoint. However, this is going to improve with later this year as Microsoft rolls out their new version of PowerPoint. You can directly do this. Here, we're going to have to do some tricks with VBA, but it's really simple. In fact, you don't even have to know it's Visual Basic for applications. So the first thing I do is I go into chat and I ask it to generate the outline of a PowerPoint presentation including neural nets and training. And this is what it produces. Here's slide 1 with the title, slide 2, 3, the basics, and this is pretty good stuff. And but this is just the slide outline. Now I want to have more details in slide 6, and so it does, and it gives me some really good stuff here about label data, forward propagation, blah blah blah. Then now you can't take this and import it directly into PowerPoint right now. So what I have to say, write the VBA code, and you need words like this: the VBA code to create the PowerPoint slides, and it does. But in this case, it only did 2 slides. So I told it write the VBA code and include 7 slides. So now it kicks this out, and then it even gives you, actually it was back here, it gave me instructions of how to do this. It says Excel, but it's actually PowerPoint. So what I do is I go into PowerPoint and I go File, New, Blank, and now I've got a blank presentation. And let's just take a look back here at what chat told us. It said hit the Alt F11 and we want to insert a new module. So I go back here and I hit the Alt F11, and then I go insert module. Now this is just the design space for that VBA code. Now here, anywhere in the, and this is, see the word code, this is like an editor, and I hit the paste button. Now there's the code that chat generated for me. And then I hit the F5 button, or I can go and select run, and this, voila, there is my presentation. But it gets better. In this version of PowerPoint, if I hit the designer, it recognizes that I'm doing a talk on AI, and it gives me these ideas over here on the right. Yes, so it generates these ideas here and images, and I'm just going to grab this images. On my first one is my background, and slide 2, let's say, well, oh, this one looks cool. So in 3, I can go blah blah blah. So anyways, then you end up having, and let's hit, so now if I go slideshow from the beginning,